How to upload a video in your YouTube channel. Welcome to another video clip from Tech for All. If you are not a member, please subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for new videos. Let's upload our very first video to our YouTube channel. For that purpose, open the browser, go to youtube.com, click on the icon, select YouTube Studio Beta from the menu. You can upload the video from dashboard for the first time by using the upload button, and the second method is click on the videos from the menu. This button will be visible if you haven't uploaded a video, but if you have uploaded videos before, you can upload a new video by clicking on this icon and then select upload video from the menu. Select the video. In the basic info section, the first text box will be the name of the video that you want to upload. I will give it a custom name. The second text box is the description of the video that you are uploading. The third text box is tag. Tags are very important for your video. For example, I will be using 3 tags. First video, new video uploading, and welcome video of my channel. These are the tags that I want to use for this video. Scroll down, here you can see I can upload a custom terminal. If you don't know how to enable this button, I have created another video on how to upload custom terminals. Link is in the description. Click on the custom terminal button. Select the terminal you want to upload. Click on open button. The custom terminal will be uploaded along with your video. Using this section, you can add your video to a playlist. You can choose the playlist or you can create a new one by clicking on the create new playlist button. Click on the create button. Here you can choose the visibility of the video. Either it should be public, private, or it should be scheduled that you want to upload it in a specific time on a specific date. The next menu is translation. Here you will be able to upload the translation of your video. If you are making videos in Chinese language, in Persian language, you will be able to upload a translation to your video for your viewers. The third menu is advanced section. I will not change anything in here. In this menu, I will be only discussing about category. You can select the category of the video that you are uploading. Mine is a video song, so I will choose music from here. There is an option of community contributions. You will allow the viewers to contribute translated titles, descriptions, and also subtitles to your videos. The third option is recording date, which is today. Click on today. The date will be automatically inserted. Now you can upload your video. If you have enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you.